Welcome to this Hollow Point trading session recap for June 18th. Let's break down the day's performance, where dull entries missed the mark, and we focused on precision. Here is the scoreboard for the session. We saw approximately $9.7 thousand in gains across 6 plays, with about $7.1 thousand locked in while leaving runners on top. All plays were green. These are the first set of winning positions, showcasing our trades in SPXW and NDXP, with results displayed clearly for transparency. Continuing with our winning positions, here are the remaining trades for the session, including further gains in SPXW, AMD, NDXP, and SPY. Transparency is key. As you can see, the SPX 7500 calls were called at 9:17 and were in the money by 9:45. I post the entry before the move happens. That is the difference at Hollow Point Trading. We provide the entry before it works, and our results speak for themselves daily. Don't wait on the sidelines, bound by rules and feared by trade. Thank you for watching this recap. Remember, these recaps are for informational purposes and are not financial advice.